so much for always being with me.
Hello, Baekhyun Hyung. I appreciate you very, very much.
Thank you, Baekhyun.
안녕, 백현아.
I'm proud of you, thank you, mahal kita. Hey Baekhyun, welcome back to the Philippines.
Hello, Baekhyun. Thank you so much for coming back again in the Philippines. We love you.
Yana, annyeong! Love you so much and we are glad to see you through the world existence. Mahal ka namin, Baekhyun.
I have loved you for 11 years and I'll love you for 11.
Welcome to the Philippines, Baekhyun. Lagi mo sa action, saranghe.
Ay, kailangan Baekhyun. Yung tagang sarang, hey.
Yeah, Baekhyun.
Your fans are so
Oh.